Hey there folks, it's Yat Kean here from Trend Ground. So welcome back to another unboxing video. So today's device, I am actually featuring the GoPro Hero 12 Black. Yes, it's already available in the Malaysia market for 1,999 ringgit Malaysia. So I still have a sealed box. So we are going to unbox and also maybe give my quick first impression on this action camera, despite I have given my quick pick on the Hero 12 Black when it's launched in Malaysia. So there's a pull tab at the bottom here, so you have to pull it out. Okay, cool. So once you have pulled it out, there, you're greeted with this. So you open it up and voila, so it tells you you need to update it via the quick app and subscribe to GoPro experience. Okay, cool. Now there's too many paperwork over here. Just too many. Whoopsie. Okay, so here it is, what you are getting inside the box. GoPro itself, a USB Type-C charging cable over here. So you have the sticky pad for it. You even have the screw. You need to screw it up. And the other one is this is the battery. Okay, so you get the battery as well, and Duro battery. So this is the mount attachment. Great. So let me just put it aside and focus on to the GoPro itself. Okay, so that's a paper wrapper. You need to pull it out. So you got stickers. Alright, these stickers are really easy to tear, so you better be gently. One more thing, once again, once you get your GoPro Hero 12 Black, make sure to update it, okay? Alright, so that is the GoPro. Now let's unwrap the battery itself. Man, their packaging are all these wrappers are so easy to tear off. You just push it to the side, it's much better. Okay, so this is the battery. This is the battery, this is the action cam. Nice. So you pull it out, pull this tab, and then you attach onto it, and voila, you have your GoPro Hero 12 Black over here, ready to go. Let me just fire it up one time. So the first thing you are definitely able to see, you need to do some settings onto it. So definitely you need to insert a micro SD card onto this GoPro in order to start using it. So I haven't attached it, I'll attach it later on. So let's come back to the first impression of this device. Okay, Now, basically, like I've mentioned in the launch in Malaysia, so this year they are actually introducing a new design on the GoPro Hero 12 Black, whereby you can see there are smudges on the front and the back cover of the GoPro, the button as well. So basically, the new pattern design over here is, it feels very rubbery. Okay, yeah. So basically, it will be much more long lasting in terms of durability and also impact drops as well. But overall, it still looks very similar to the previous generation. But this year, they are actually introducing a new mount as well, mount hole over here. So you don't really have to like open up its leg and attach so many things just to attach the GoPro onto a maybe your extension stick and so much more. Now it's much more convenient to just attach to anything, your mount area here. So that is a good thing, and yeah, going to look forward to it. And I do really love to check out this new Hero 12 Black, because some of the key things area they are actually introducing right now is really phenomenal in terms of not just the video recording capabilities, but also the photos as well. So gonna test it out. Give me some time. I will take some time because I only received the review unit quite late, so bear with me. And yeah, I think I'll just end the video over here. So do stay tuned for more contents shot with the GoPro Hero 12 Black, and my full review might be coming up a bit later. Okay, so stay tuned. I'm Yat Kean here from Trend Ground. If you love this kind of content, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and follow us on the social media, and go and check out on the website as well. Alright, so see you guys. It's pretty hot here today. I'm doing a little bit like outdoor shooting in my house here. Yeah, so stay tuned. Okay, bye.